Hello friends, my name is Bhanuprasad Singh Putta. You are watching BK Drawing. Now, today we are drawing a solar system. First you have to do subscribe, share and like this video. And जब आप लोग की मैम बोलती होंगी सोलर सिस्टम ड्रॉ करो पर आप नहीं कर पाते होगे इस स्पेस में, आज हम लोग आपको बताएंगे कि कैसे इस स्पेस में ड्रॉ करते हैं. चलो अब स्टार्ट. चलो first we have to draw a sun. Sun. This is his rays. After we draw, for then Mercury. All the smallest planet is Mercury. Then Venus, second largest planet. No. Then Earth. Okay guys, then Mars. All planets are circled. Now Jupiter, the biggest planet. Okay, you have to do only like this. These are so simple drawing. Now this. Okay, now we have to also do this one. Now we have to do Uranus. Uranus not have any design, but we do this. This is a white, although white and blue color. Uranus. Now Neptune, the last planet. We all know all planets are now we do the design. Okay, first Mercury, only do this all simple drawing. Now you have to do this in Venus. Now this is all Earth. As we have to do this, all of this. Now, sorry, there is some mistake. Pause. Stop karo. Venus, like this way you have to draw lines. Now this. All of the Jupiter design these lines only. Like this we all do designs. Now he don't have a design because it's Saturn. This is also we do design. I am writing a name. First Mercury, M-U-R-C-U-R. Why Mercury? You have name. You have write and not write, but I am writing. M-U-E-R-C-U. Venus. Earth. All know the spelling. Now Mars, this is simple spelling M-A-R-S, Mars. You have to write spellings, but you don't write the spelling also. Jupiter, J-U-P-I-T. Start. Jupiter. Now Saturn. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Now we have to do color.